American football, one of the proudest traditions of the United States of America. This sport is woven into the fabric of everyday life. So why would you come to London, England to watch a game? The NFL has been playing games every year in London since 2007, and the fans love it. But it's not just about the game itself. When you mix American football with the historic city of London, you get some pretty interesting things. Before the game even starts, there's plenty of fan events around the city in the lead up to the games. Meet your favourite team's fans in a typical English pub? Absolutely. Try and meet your favourite player so that they can sign your stuff? Totally. This is Nelson Aguilar of the Eagles, and trying to get anywhere near him was hard work. Because it was so busy, they actually closed the queue to meet him 40 minutes before he even arrived, so this is pretty much the best I got. They have a tailgate party outside the stadium, which has a lot of fun things to do. But I'll warn you about two things. Number one, you'll have to pass airport-style security just to get into the tailgate, and two, you'll be queuing forever to do anything. Because there's so many people that attend the game, the tailgate is usually packed, so try and get there as soon as the doors open if you can. It's a pretty cool place to hang around, drink a few beers, and watch the cheerleaders. But if you actually want to do something, like have your picture taken with the Vince Lombardi trophy, you'll be queuing forever. This line took 50 minutes. Funnily enough though, the queue to buy overpriced beer was surprisingly short. And if you want to buy merchandise, boy, you're in for a wait. This is the queue to buy stuff at the NFL shop. It took about an hour to get from the back of the queue to entering the place. Boy, these guys must make a killing. Ooh, finally, real merchandise. But once you've thrown your footballs and got your free swag, it's time to pass another lot of airport security to enter the stadium. The game today features the Philadelphia Eagles and the Jacksonville Jaguars. And boy, there's a lot of Eagles fans here. They've taken over the entire city, I'm not joking. Everywhere I looked, there are Eagles fans everywhere. They're also barricading the streets for some reason, but you gotta admit, these guys travel really well. The cheapest tickets are understandably the nosebleeds where I'm sat, but Wembley is a great stadium, and there's not really a bad seat in the house. If you can get tickets to the top of the lower tier or the middle tier, that's probably the best view of the stadium. And you'll find fans of every team here, quite literally. It's kinda like the United colours of Benetton. You'll never get bored here at an NFL game, and there's always something going on. Just go for the atmosphere, and if you know what's going on, that's a bonus. By the way, if you don't know the rules of American football, check out my video on my other channel here. It's a great sport, pretty ill-tempered players beating the hell out of each other, and it's great when a team scores, especially if you have rowdy fans like these Eagles. Now, people might have realised that I'm a Dallas Cowboys fan, in a stadium predominantly packed with Eagles fans. They absolutely hate each other, and yeah, I got a few remarks, but overall, these Eagles fans were alright. It's different here, as you can talk to fans who support other teams with no animosity whatsoever. Everyone's here to have a good time, and there's almost like a party atmosphere going on. I don't think I could get away with this in Philadelphia. If you've never been to an American football game before, I highly recommend you come to one. And if there's one in London and you can get a ticket, absolutely, you have to go. Okay Nin, I'm sold. What do I do? Well, you'll need to get tickets. They sell out really quickly, so you'll have to be on the ball and get your tickets as they're released. Sign up on the NFL website for notifications. The prices for nosebleeds are actually okay. I paid just £42, but the sky's the limit, and if you buy them on the resale market, God help you. London is a notoriously expensive city, so bring money. Lots of it. Flights, hotel stays, attractions and transportation can all add up massively. To get to the stadiums, you'll need to use the underground tube system. And NFL games are sometimes in different stadiums across London, so you'll need to find out which the nearest tube station is. So for Wembley, it'd be Wembley Park, etc. Is there anything else? Yes, Be prepared to queue for absolutely everything. Whether you want to go to a player signing, the tailgate party, or the game itself, you'll be in a mile-long queue, so get there early and be patient. If you like this video, please be sure to like, share and subscribe. Comment in the comment section below, and if you've got any more suggestions on what I should do next, let me know. But in the meantime, thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.